happy kum no mo. So she don't want to, ban pen idur. Okay, nomor so to dang le ranyi mo mano ru like me also in first time ngaru bang dang le vlog dang le ran menta damn bro, I just hold the camera and then damn I talk anything whatever it comes out from my mouth. So good afternoon if you sia bro perlak, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Zorian Marwan, and hakani kapor ngamut ban ai kublai sho ai pisia mo kibala pet yakani ka vlog sejong ubro jong ubai jong pi, and ngala so comment hadu kata-kata nomor ba pisia pilaya like saya subscribe rumo ngalai I katu kat ne kibala subscribe de so tunat mo bani I katu it makes my heart motivate mo, and ngala ban penmi video shu kan buon shu mo la shai lai singi yaki ba kam long su tunat ai mo nomor ba I can do much more better la shai lai singi dalam ta pisia and for me as well. Dia mentah singi ngadan ngawan I kong mo but kabaik. Okay, so today we are planning to make an interesting video nomor ba la dai sinam thamai mo, so berak beriau kilai cek baik mo, and we all know that, and bun ru nak pedang jong pisia ba kwa nang banyak baik ru, that's the first thing. And entah sih ngan hikai ya piru but ya English ru kuno banyak baik, so she wants me to teach her how to ride a bike. It's been a long time, okay, so this is the perfect time mo ban hikai mo, so an ngayo po ru tang mentasi Sunday since every week dang happen like trayan on mo. So this is the perfect spot mo, see ngamtip ra kadai jaka jong no but mudle ayu ru ngamtip ra kanai jaka and ngasi I kanai ka spot which is very nice for me mo, plus bakenja beriau ru, so hakane kapor ngan hikai happy menta mo, and ngam kwa ban pen slam tan ru, so let's start to the main point. Okay, so see, okay, watch and learn. Okay, see banyak bat te klam sabi te it's no point so kabai ru kanum start tapi nyon ni start ru. Okay, that's the first thing. So nya ban lem no prung yang ni sabi like this. Okay, dalam ada prung what we do is on mo last two la on pihak ban pek but pihak ban check dan ni neutral mo, especially I'm talking about the beginners. Okay, I'm not talking ya kitu ki brio ki bala perfect ban long nya bai and I'm also not perfect mo tangba banyak surak I'm good. Okay, that's the main thing. So mentah baik umdan reh neutral. Okay, so tapi start ya ka baik klem dah buat neutral ka start mo tangba it's not good. Okay, so mainly ban shift neutral ni ban lek nang ni. Okay, see this is the gear level. Okay, so this utrai kam kum ni apa pihak ban bat ya clutch mo, first thing pihak ban bat clutch dia sai first gear cepo, second gear sejrong, and then third gear sejrong, fourth gear sejrong, fifth gear sejrong. Ini ada clutch, and mainly lada pi mud ban shift gear pihak shift baik kumnya bat ya clutch jack and then like this. Okay, and then sa accelerate kendiat kabat jumpi kelas start untuk kelayat bah smooth. Okay, kelas tu dapat sini ngan hikai. So absang ngan ai dah helmet, so she will be like pro. Okay, for now ada my helmet she won't become pro, so it's better I give her first the helmet. The same thing so helmet juga. So she is now wearing my helmet. Okay, she is ready to become pro, so before she become pro I have to teach her first.
Ini ada brake, ini ada clutch. Okay, after that ini kita kijat bersiap perfect dan kali ini sedia. Okay, and kini kita indikator one pack ni. Let's say ini ini ada indikator sikan kita arti kilat nanti mo jika awak nak channel kita mau siap ini like that, and the indicator punya bisa terus stay, and this one niru terus stay. Okay, so kita cuba balik satai pat ini yang saya satai. Okay, so that is small basics. Okay, deh break diam pat tadi kena ada break diam mo siapkan yuk untuk ban brake kenapa kan kita payah kan brake dan kita ada yuk kan brake and ban brake yang baik mesti kap yang adjust lah niru kendian and niru kendian, so
kanum berat kanum ayu rakai mo susu dah last tu kata toilet tak mo kan to okay saya remember ban check dan ni neutral. Okay, directly not it's not working. Okay, jangan check dan ni mo Ya, biang em mentau tudan. Biang em tesong. So she is her height is not fit for her for this bike, but it's okay. We'll try our best, okay? Kêu bạch choàng ngân sabat nha. Tangan pen ire pi ka. Kêu bạch direct. Okay. Tak kêu. Kajrong am. Absa. Absa wat pale ire. Remember, kiladan habat. Ta la biang. Ta ka biang em tu. Habat kiladan dia what happen? Kumno ban nek khmat em tap first gear. Tip first gear dan ai mana yang kai. Absa wat panjang. Absa. Long sebetai yang ai. Saya dan sebetai. Dan tu em dia hapnyan sana hap. Sapua first gear, second gear sana. That third gear. Oh good. She learn quickly, bro. She has learned so fast. I did not expect that. Okay, dan Deng Xuan ni ngah helmet. And ngaruh ngapan song lang dian because no bharosa, anything can happen. So, ani uniru apan mau hang ni. So pet ni ya, to ngan clear ngai ke bat jaga ni lihat bat ni. So it's on record, okay. From that. Jam, dari sini. Dah ada song ke bat, pintu lambat you new clutch, okay. Mars dapat you clutch. Kin I first gear rem sepua. Kena pelat ya new clutch kan saya nak ke bat. So tu. The most important thing to do is remember the brake also, okay. Nak nak control super remember ban bat brake tu po dan tu. Okay. Nah. So, first gear. Okay, we're done. First gear. Clutch ski.
Dah.
Tak boleh. Itu sister. Bakinyan accelerator rem, kemud kasah. Ya, come step. Hapnyan jaga accelerator, okay. So, persen dah. First gear. Kadanglah surok em. Jai tu extra, right? Tu extra tiap ban jai.
Betul.
Dia hab lem no tap first gear sei. Siapa em? So tap no.
Ya.
Dah. Tap gear siapa?
Ya.
First gear, yes, you are done first gear. Dia hab lem no clutch ski. I accelerator dia. Jai. Naik. Jai. Clutch ski. Slowly. Lah em. Di situ ni yang kumno.
Betul.
Slowly.
Oh my god.
Ayo kita break, okay?
Yes. Betul.
But first thing you need to do is start tu. Okay. Pet ni dan neutral am. So it's very good. Kilap ban. After pressing tu siap absa. Kata sound kan pak sya tit for 4 second aim tu kan pak. Dan tu saya start. Okay. Now start tu. Tindak tu. But your clutch, okay? But in your clutch. So I first gear day. Saya first gear segera. Support. Kayaknya first gear dan support. Again one neutral. No, again one second gear. Again one third gear. So I first gear support. First gear lah. Okay, start. Clutch and clutch. Ini clutch. Clutch tindak. Itu kalau ya. One foot kan? Clutch.
Tekan pelat.
Clutch kan tu kalau ya. Siap adjust kan clutch. Kan dia half clutch. Okay. Kan dia half clutch. Kamu kabat kanumnya aja. Kasakut itu ni half clutch. Kanum lip biru, okay. Kita pelat je kan dia half clutch kan. Kita pelat banyak. Saya exit tindak.
Dah.
Jai bek sa pelun. Pakai ya clutch. Jalan nak serok.
Ya, apa?
Hah?
Apa?
Syah. Nak ting. Kenal day ban ai kan ni pat. Pi ai kan ni ka. Sa tay bet. Wah. So, sikio nak sedian ta. It's not so hard. You have to be like you have done kami sim banyak ke. Okay. Like dah pimut lech tay. Ai di besar. Like kelis lah. Okay. Day ban su tangbal ai indikator, day ban su yai bek no kum tu. It doesn't mean tangbal ai indikator thì yai nom tu. It doesn't mean tu. Ya ban pech lah kali kawan ai kan lech nai. Then dai i bom dan kali su then move. Okay. Percaya ya sedang nang ni kan kai ki. Nyak hi nang ni mo. Yang sangat dia. Nyak bet ni lere ha. Kuat klet ni banyak. Ice ski ni anjay jai mo.
Okay.
Ha, dah pi ai kamu ka lech vung. Ha.
Accident net.
Ha, te hap je. Biang dan neutral biang tak nyontok. Tak apa sengap saya kata. Something like 4-3 second they start. Start nyon. Okay, done. But it's like no.
Dah.
Start full. Okay, done. Stop dia. Okay, done. Okay, guys.
Telan sekalian. Kan. Ya. Lai. Okey. Tak.
What do you wear for?
Tak.
Like what?
Like.
I see it. Tidak.
Okay. How to return? How to turn? To turn, yes, to turn the side. Like this. Like this. Like this, nah? So.
It was really nice. Dia ngini song ka song ni spong mo. Then saya lek no. Mo. Dia ngampat dah hikai detail tan rem dah sini so ngai hikai tang baik. Malu malam mo. Dia saya hikai ba koi por mo mata te like ngin ni song kai sang ni kan ni ka spot trong ni like it looks like this and ni one song kai yang ni hak per trong ki beriau ngam tip long ka babahan em tamas ni shuan kai mo shuan bam chips it's nothing much so this is my chips okay te perlok ada pisia pikwa ban le detail am like chepang kan ni ka jing hikai nya ba so basically ngan sa hikai bha ya pi hakoi ka sni mo menta tip pia suthu nem suthu ro tamba ya kitu ki bam nang small things that you should know even though da pim ya tip ro okay ndai ra nada pisia don na pedang jompi ba pim ya nang nya ba te please comment and sa text ba yang I mean sa comment ba mola da bun ki comment te obviously ngan sa hikai don't worry and ngan sa hikai ro da ka in easy method, okay? But nganum yalam shoot this woman. Just kidding, okay? She's every time with me, so kat sebalik yang hab yalam ni tambangan sai kai nak dal dia, okay? And ngan sagug and select detail nak don't worry, okay? She feel kinda happy today. Now dengan bamboo chips, bro.
A few moments later.
Ini like no. And the darling jonga rila kamnang bernyaban. I did not expect by inang hadu katua, but it was quite good. Namarba it her first try, okay? Ngampat cu melian ban ai ya isiru but then ngasubutai I tang kumtu. So ilanang means it's good for this road like this. Not in city, okay? Ngakam keren sepangka city namarba. Tamo city it's not good for that bike. Kalau ajrong tan for her, and she is like very short, but she is very sweet also. Tangin ya, ni no nang nemo, and then ini like kind of stay, and ngan saya like no. Dia perlok ada pikwa ka video specific video bangan hikai banyak bat ya pisiaru. I will try my best but ngan sepen miru lada kibun ki komen mo la shai laisi and ngarung ngarang susdang kan channel dengan tip ya pisia kan ya point em tu kan video bat pisia tiba kwa nang nya bat namar mo bun na pedang jom pisia na tip bun bakwa benang nya mo angai la dia ru I'm a good I must say I'm a good in the road, okay? But I'm not pro, yeah. I'm only the pro, but I no, I'm not like that. I'm just a good rider in highway, in any way. I'm just a good normal rider. Now, I will teach you in a perfect way that you will learn it so fastly. Like she did today. How was the ride? She ilakit yang ngam tas ni. Devon kit kelah. Devon kit mangam. She ilakit mai yang ngam tas ni. Damn bro, I was so shocked. I was really shocked. Ini like nama. Nak kumno nama arba kasih rupet kelaset. So mungkin song ni rekam long. So saya komen saya batai nga. But ada pi long. So tenat berkani ke channel juga, please remember to like, subscribe and also share mo with your friends mo kita gi bakwa benang. So I will teach everyone in this video, in this channel hakoi rakapor, but not today. Not today means mdai mtasi te hakoi rakapor la kabun ke comment obviously ngan sa mo sa teach bisa ngan sa ikai. And ngali ngan susah ngani channel te hopefully punya I jingkersan lah ya mo. Because I need your support. Without your support, bro, I am nothing. Okay, I'm nothing, guys. I'm nothing, bro. I'm nothing, friends. I'm nothing, sister. So, brothers, sisters, medeng mina mahe. Padeng podo everyone who watch my channel, please remember to give a like. Thank you very much. Staying inside the loop. Aware kapor. This is our Sunday ride. Small ride, but it is very sweet ride. Very funny ride also. Tangkat ahi te kulis buat. Nyalik ngomong ta. Bye bye.